Mommy says, hey everyone, welcome to the vlog. Yes, you're being very cute and adorable right now. And she has been playing with this toy non-stop since Christine sent it in the mail.
She is obsessed.
She's totally obsessed with this toy. I think you put Kitty Cat Crack in there because she just can't stop. She's licking it, she's biting it, she's kicking it. But hello, welcome to the vlog. Look who's in the kitchen.
Hi.
Cooking up delicious foods.
Yes.
You got your Friendsgiving tonight. So you're making some garbage bread. This is the filling. Some sausage, peppers, onions, garlic. And you're making a delicious pumpkin pie.
Let's hope.
Well, if it's my recipe, we've had it before, so it should be good.
This time it's different though, because we're only making one, which is weird. We usually make two.
Yeah.
Quarter cup. 3 or 4 tablespoons?
4.
4. Okay.
So you got your pumpkin pie going. I'm a dum-dum. I gotta run out to the store. Oh God, I'm not looking forward to that. I thought I had enough maple syrup, but I don't think I do. I think I'm gonna get some dark corn syrup for the for the pecan pie tartlets. Actually, I don't know if I'm doing tartlets or if I'm doing an actual pie.
Either way, sounds delicious.
Yeah. I don't think I told anybody what I was making. Well, I told Kristen and she said no. For dinner. We're having...
She's got an awful lot to say.
She does have an awful lot to say. Let me give you a little backstory. When we used to go to Boston on vacation, we used to always go to Faneuil Hall and get a turkey dinner pot pie.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name of the kiosk that had it in the food court. But it was basically turkey, stuffing, you know, all the fixins, right down to the green bean casserole, the cranberry sauce, and mushroom gravy, and Daddy would flip for it. Daddy Mark. So that is what I'm making for tomorrow. But I've also seen a recipe, I believe, Hot for Food, Lauren Toyota did this back in the day, like, I want to say like 10 years ago, maybe even longer. Maybe more than 10 years ago. She made one in a loaf pan, and I made it for Thanksgiving, and it was really good.
Sounds delicious. I'm excited.
I'm excited too. It's going to have sweet potatoes, regular potatoes.
Yeah.
I might even have to break down and get some French fried onions, but I don't want to hate myself the next day, because I don't want to be burping up those fried onions.
Where was this?
Up there, but if it doesn't fit, just leave it out. I have way too many spices. I'm spicy!
Yes.
So we're doing it a little bit different. We're doing a puff pastry crust instead of a regular crust because not a lot of crusts off the shelf are vegan.
Yeah, but this one also, because of the, like, structure of it, you should be able to easily
peel it off,
because you can't eat that.
Yeah. I mean, I might have a little nibble.
Someone wants to be in pain tomorrow.
Me? No, not me.
Maybe you can just sleep through the pain.
I'm telling you, I've been doing a lot of sleeping lately.
Well, that's good.
No, it's not. I need to get things done. And I'm getting very nervous because our market on Sunday is looking like it's going to be...
terrible weather.
Wet. And cold. Not just wet and cold.
I'm feeling not great about it, I have to say.
I feel like just staying home. Oh, there's my husband.
We made a commitment.
I gotta go.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! That's right, I got my phone, so now I can vlog at home. Yay! It's a very dangerous situation right now, though, because I don't have my case yet. So, I don't have a pop socket, and I don't want to drop this brand new phone. So, let me pause the camera and turn this around, because I have to show you what Chefy made over here for Thanksgiving, because this apartment smells insane right now. It smells so good. We're watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, of course. Santa's about to show up with the Rockettes. But let me show you real quick. Oh my goodness. Tell us what you made.
A vegan savory monkey bread. So instead of being a dessert bread, it is a like appetizer bread.
It looks so good.
With cheese, almonds, dill, basil, and then also a homemade red pesto.
Oh my god. The pesto though,
Smells very
insane. Insane! Good work, Chefy.
Thanks.
Oh my god, the video quality looks so good on this too. I wish you guys could smell it. I can't wait to pull this apart later. It's gonna be good. And what inspired you to make this?
Great British Bake Off.
Yeah! It was his first time watching. This season was so good. All right, well, I can't turn the camera around again right now, so we're gonna sign off. But happy Thanksgiving! No, we have a day full of activities, but first I wanna catch a little bit of the dog show. Woo!
Hi. Bad news, guys. Well, this is what happens when things go awry. So this is the vlog that you're watching right now. So you've already seen this part here where Maddie's making her pumpkin pie and everything. That was fine. There was sounds, but then the next part of this was very bad because I accidentally somehow pressed S and Q.
No.
So I guess instead of doing like a voiceover, I'll just like show you the voiceover here. She made this beautiful garbage bread that was so luscious.
Very well received.
Did everyone lose their S over it?
They loved it.
They did.
I'm sorry, I'm just so sad right now because we just lost our entire crochet video.
We did. That we spent like, I don't even know how long it was.
That's very frustrating.
It is very frustrating, but let's talk more about what's going on in the movie here. So she's setting her timer. No, she's not. She's texting someone. We also are making the pumpkin pie in this part of the video here. Let me see if I can get to the good part where it's not just her talking on and on. On and on. Yeah, no, it's not this part. Okay, let's check in with Sean. What are you doing? Getting ready for Turkey Day. So excited for the parade. Me ambling through the house like, oh, with Mark. Oh, this must be Thanksgiving morning. Okay. So this is Thanksgiving morning. Mark is going to make me a delicious breakfast. I already made the tofu scramble. He is making the bacon. So here I show my turkey slabs of tofu that are marinating because I'm going to do those in the air fryer to make like little turkey steaks. There's the tofu scramble. There's the bacon in the oven. This is a mushroom bacon. I can't remember the brand name of it, but it was very good. I wish there was more of it. I didn't need nearly enough of that. Here's the pumpkin pie that Maddie made. It came out very beautiful, and I have to say I liked it better than the pecan pie. I had a little piece for breakfast this morning. There's the pecan pie. I thought it was a little grainy. It didn't set up how I thought it was going to set up. It was a little bit wet. I don't like a wet pumpkin pie, wet pecan pie. So Mark's enjoying his toast with the Daya cream cheese and chives. And off to the dog show on the TV, of course. So now I will play Maddie's clips, but there's also a problem with those because she just got a new iPhone. I'm not going to play it here. I'm just going to explain before I let you listen to them. She got a new iPhone, and she didn't fix the settings yet for iMovie to optimally film for iMovie. And this also happened when I first got my iPhone 16. When you transfer the clips to iMovie, the colors are all blown out. So it's all washed out. The sound is fine and everything. I just have to color correct. But you're never going to get that level of the original when you color correct by hand. So we're going to figure out those new settings, and then the next time we film on her phone, it's going to be okay. Alright, so here we are, back to the Thanksgiving grind, Thanksgiving Day. I got my haricot verts there, my green beans. This is the sausage that's going into the stuffing. I got my celery and onion in the stock pot there, waiting to be sauteed so that I can make the stuffing. Here's the beautiful turkey slabs out of the air fryer. And what else was there? Oh, this is the mushroom gravy getting ready to be blended up and then thickened up on the stove. What'd you think of the mushroom gravy?
It was delicious.
Oh, thank you. We had more for breakfast. Not for breakfast, for lunch today. More of the turkey dinner pie.
Yeah, it was really good.
Just as good, if not better, the second day. So then, let's see. Still hadn't taken my shower at this point. I really like to cut it close. I like to play things very fast and loose. And Bowie's waiting by the door because he was expecting company, but he didn't get it. He got it today. And then, let's see what's going on here. Oh, there's the turkey dinner pie with everything in it except for the mashed potatoes on the top. And boy, was that a delicious sight. It tasted even better. So I just had to make my gravy. And I walk around that kitchen a lot, don't I? I'm always stumbling around the kitchen. I think that's all I showed for then, because I just had to make those two things and then jump in the shower. And then here we are, back to today. So we'll pick it up from here. Let's see.
I'm like not in a good mood right now.
How can I tell? I'm so sorry.
It's not your fault.
It is my fault because my fat effing finger pressed the wrong button.
No, I mean the camera design is like really bad to have that button right there.
I know, but it's still my fault.
No.
But anyway, we're going to need to do these birthday shout outs again because that's only the right thing to do.
Of course.
Alright, so today, Black Friday, ha ha ha, no birthday shout outs. Tomorrow, Small Business Saturday, no birthday
Good luck
shout outs.
to all the small businesses.
Yes, shout out. Our first official birthday shout out is Sunday, the day of our market.
Mm-hmm.
And we have twin birthday shout outs. Literally.
Okay.
First one is Charlie Arrigo.
Charlie, happy birthday.
One of my favorite names in the world. Kristen's still blowing up my phone. She's probably texting to wish you a happy birthday, Charlie. So I hope it's wonderful.
Yes.
And the twin section, Brenda Sapp's twin grandchildren with the coolest names ever.
Mm-hmm.
Royal and Sincere.
I love that.
That is so fun.
Happy birthday to Royal and Sincere.
Yes, happy birthday.
Hope it's a wonderful day.
Same. And then Monday, which we also had a discussion about, we're doing Vlogmas, but it's probably going to be a weekday thing, but
Yeah.
we'll be back on Monday after this, hopefully with Vlogmas, weekday Vlogmas.
Mm-hmm.
But the birthday shout out is for Alex Sanders.
Alex, happy birthday.
Yes.
Hope you have an amazing birthday.
So I hope all of the birthday shout out recipients and even the ones that we didn't mention are living their best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
Now Maddie is going to go and cry in the corner.
The thought of reshooting the entire crochet video is killing me because we're already so far behind schedule today.
And I see your sister's calling.
Oh my god. There's so much to do. Like, I'm legit about to cry.
I know. I see it.
We need to go.
All right. Well, thanks for watching,
Thanks
everybody.
for watching, everyone.
Sorry for the F up. And until next time, much love. Bye, everybody.